video has been sponsored by King Maps, 5Guard, and Just Scripts. Check their website in the description.
Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a Ammunition Redesign MLO into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the MLO which you are going to install into FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. You just have to click on this download button and download the MLO. After downloading it, you just have to copy the FiveM folder from the file, then paste it into your FiveM resource folder. So I'll be pasting it over here, just like this. Now rename the file and give a name as you like. So that's all for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now, and this is the MLO which we have installed into our FiveM server. Now let's get inside the MLO. So this is the first look of the MLO over here. So these are the weapons showcase over here, as you can see. Now let's get inside. And in this area you can find all the equipments, parts of the gun and armor as well. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.